Welcome to ICON 2018. I'm really excited for all of you and excited for all the speakers. God bless you. ICON is here because we want to encourage people while your economy is growing, while your income is gonna grow, please lang, di ba? I know you like to consume, pero iba naman invest natin. Because investing is delayed, di ba? Actually, investing is what we call deferred consumption.
I'd like this audience, this beautiful audience, to really appreciate what the power of blockchain can do to people, businesses, and even governments.
There's a saying by Dave Ramsey that personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% mindset.
For you guys who are 25, you know what? Laki ng advantage nyo eh. Because when it comes to investing, time is one of your biggest assets. Agree? Yes. And as you start investing, the longer you invest, it's not just about putting money in eh, but you will gain so much experience that, especially in the stock market, it's a tool eh. It's something that you need to sharpen on a regular basis.
There are things na parang walang kwenta. Some of those things are the best investments in your life or in your business.
When opportunity comes, you have to immediately grab it. Yes, it's your second lesson in real estate. When opportunity knocks the second time, be sure you are prepared to grab it. Yes?
SEO is basically the ability to manipulate search results. That is my business. For websites we want to rank up, we can do it.
If you want to be a successful stock market investor, day one, you should know why you are investing.
You see different opportunities as you go around, and the nice thing about it is you see what the reality is on the ground.
Know your passion. What are you fascinated about? What do you love reading? What is on your Facebook feed? Because Facebook knows what your interests are, right? So that is something you can use.
God has already given each and every one of us whatever it takes to succeed.
Nag-seminar ka, hindi ka nag-execute, what did you get? You did not get education. You got entertainment.
The reason why people do not prosper in farms is because they do not see it as a business. And farming is really a business.